Hey, stay in the vehicle.
When I first saw this video of the officer-involved shooting in Pasadena, it eerily reminded me of a dashcam video I had seen in the police academy. I immediately thought back to the January 12, 1998 incident where Deputy Kyle Dinkheller was murdered by Andrew Howard Brannon on a traffic stop.
Stay in the vehicle. Show me your hands. Drop the gun now.
As I watched the events of this traffic stop rapidly unfold, I couldn't help but wonder if this officer had also seen the Dinkheller video in his police academy, just as many other cadets have across the nation. I wondered to myself if the preparation for this moment from watching that video had saved his life this day. Did this officer have the same idea that I had in my police academy? That if I were in the same situation, I would use different tactics. I would make it home. Deputy Kyle Dinkheller will never know just how many law enforcement officers' lives that his sacrifice has saved. But I'm sure that he would be proud if he did.
481, shots fired, Spooner and Southmore, shots fired.